Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. So today I will be just doing a simple makeup. I have an appointment today. Then I just think of showing you guys my medium or light makeup. So how I achieve my light makeup. I'm done with my eyebrow. I'm just going to apply primer. I'm using Face Studio primer. I always use this primer. I think I will be using this MAC foundation full coverage. Number is MW50. This one is dark. Then I will be mixing it with MAC MW45. This one is light. Just little bit, not that much. I'm not going for a lot, but a little bit will go a long way if you blend it nice. I will be using an NYS concealer. So I'm still going to be using same brush for foundation to blend it. Finish powder. This one is MW45. MAC MW45. I'll be using Prime Studio Everyday Glam. Then I'll just use this dark chocolate. I like this dark chocolate a lot. I'll just use this one so that when I have to apply eyeshadow, so that in later my eye here we have a line of foundation. We have line of foundation. So for that not to have line of foundation, I will just use this dark brown to brush it. I will draw my lip with dark eyebrow. I'll be using dark eyebrow to lead under my water eye. Then I will use a mascara to stand my natural eyelashes. I'll be using my normal lipstick I always use because it's natural. I like it. So I will just apply a little bit of blush. It's not that much. Then I will just dab it like I have it already in my brush. I will just put it on my smile cheek. So this is how I get ready for my appointment. Please, if you hear the bell, church is very close to us here, so they are ringing the bell. It's the time to ring the bell. I think it's 12 o'clock now, so I'm done doing the makeup, no eyelashes. I just have to go like this. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.